Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic, the vitamins that can help cure nerve damage permanently. Whether you're dealing with nerve pain, tingling, or numbness, we'll talk about key nutrients that can support your recovery and help restore healthy nerve function. So, stick around for some valuable insights. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. Be sure to leave a comment below with any questions. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is a crucial nutrient for maintaining healthy nerves and regenerating damaged ones. It helps produce myelin, the protective coating around nerve fibers. Myelin is essential for proper nerve function, and without enough B12, the nerves can become damaged over time. If you're suffering from nerve pain or neuropathy, increasing your intake of B12 can promote healing and repair nerve damage. Foods rich in B12 include meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products, or you can take B12 supplements if needed. Regular intake of this vitamin can significantly improve nerve health and potentially reverse nerve damage. Vitamin B6. Next up is vitamin B6, which plays a role in producing neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that send signals between your nerves and the brain. It's essential for maintaining normal nerve function, and a deficiency in B6 can lead to nerve damage. However, it's important to maintain a balance because both too little and too much B6 can cause nerve issues. To help protect your nerves, aim for a diet that includes foods like chicken, fish, potatoes, and bananas. Supplementation is also an option, but always consult with a healthcare provider to ensure you're getting the right amount. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can help reduce oxidative stress, one of the leading causes of nerve damage. This vitamin protects the cells, including nerve cells, from free radical damage. A deficiency in vitamin E has been linked to peripheral neuropathy, a condition characterized by nerve damage in the extremities. You can increase your intake of vitamin E by consuming nuts, seeds, spinach, and avocados. This vitamin not only helps repair damaged nerves, but also supports overall nerve health, making it an essential part of your recovery plan. Alpha-lipoic acid. Though technically not a vitamin, alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, is a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in nerve regeneration. It has been widely studied for its ability to relieve symptoms of nerve damage, particularly in those with diabetic neuropathy. ALA works by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which helps prevent further nerve damage while also supporting the healing process. You can find alpha-lipoic acid in foods like spinach, broccoli, and red meat, but it's also available as a supplement. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is another essential nutrient for nerve health, and low levels have been linked to an increased risk of nerve damage, especially in people with conditions like multiple sclerosis and diabetes. This vitamin helps regulate calcium levels, which is important for maintaining proper nerve signaling. A lack of vitamin D can lead to increased nerve pain and discomfort. To help prevent or repair nerve damage, make sure you're getting enough vitamin D through sun exposure, fortified foods, fatty fish, or supplements. Ensuring adequate vitamin D levels may promote nerve repair and reduce symptoms associated with nerve damage. And there you have it. These vitamins and antioxidants can help cure nerve damage by promoting healing, reducing inflammation, and supporting healthy nerve function. By incorporating them into your daily diet or using supplements when needed, you can take active steps to repair and regenerate your nerves. Remember to always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your vitamin or supplement regimen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave us a comment below with your questions or feedback. Don't forget to watch our previous videos for more tips on maintaining optimal health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.